Well, as you can see right now, Rabbit Man is cutting my bars because they've been super wide and I don't know. They're definitely crooked.
Definitely crooked.
Oh geez. Oh well.
Grind it. We'll just, you know, clean up the burrs over here.
Let's clean them up so that way you're not ripping grip.
Yeah.
The next day,
Getting these bad boys unloaded right now. Easy, Joey. Gosh. About to rip these bad boys on this RC car track right here. Dave on the Odyssey. Oh shit, it's gonna be mayhem. No, wait.
We'll see what happens.
Let's see what Dave has to say about this.
Pass when you're not.
Dave seems to think that he's gonna smoke both of us. Damn! Look at those bad boys. Oh, okay. So, right now, we're out there just right now messing around, and then it's time for us to go wreak some freaking havoc. Gee, that doesn't look like a pit bike track to me, but it's going to be, and it will be. You know, you see, you got the little strips of misters hanging down and all, but it's okay. Just adds a little some little danger effect, but we got this. Shoot. Rabbit Man's gonna be in this, my bike, Joey Mac, and Burnaby's gonna be on this, so. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pumped. This is gonna be dope. I don't think it's ever been done, so it's gonna get done tonight. This is gonna be dope. Well, another fender down. That's two almost back to back, but shoot, we were ripping it. Sadly, we didn't get any like third person stuff. We thought we were, but we weren't. So that's why. But right now, I'm gonna ride around again and have Nick film a little bit so we get at least a little third person view of it. So I'm dying. How was it, Nick?
Very tiring. Good time though. When do you get to ride a pit bike on the RC track?
You don't.
That's steeper than most supercross tracks.
You don't. That's the thing. Shoot. I feel like now it's back to normal. We weren't even here. You can't even tell. Yeah. And we got the Odyssey. Oh my God. Dave on the Odyssey, dude. You're killing it.
flashback.
Launch it! Go, go, go! Oh, yeah! Yeah! No way! Woo! He's a madman! He won't stop! Go, go, go! Oh! No way! Oh my gosh! He's done! Woo! Freaking Rabbit Man, you're a madman, dude. You don't need no RC cars?
With the Odyssey, anything is possible, my friend. Go, man. Hit the double-double.
Hit the double-double.
End of flashback.
He ran him over.
Dave's just getting in the way like usual, guys.
I wonder who has a third person to that, because he legitimately hit me and like ran me over, and that's what caused that. Like I passed him, he got mad, and next thing I know, I felt a boom, bike gone underneath me. Sure enough, he's like, "You fell in front of me." No, you ran me over.
I want a quick shout out. Thank you, Johnny Willite, for letting me ride your 110. You'll get it back in the pieces. You gave it to me.
I hit the sprinklers. back up. No! Let's catch him back up. No! I'm lost! What the fuck? Ah, I'm gonna get lapped. Ah. Dang it. Ah. I lost, I'm out. Whatever.
Hey, do I got a second to pull my truck in?
Yeah. I think they're done. I lost. That thing killed me! Jeez, well I stalled right there. I couldn't find neutral. And then my foot peg got caught right there. I lost there. I don't know what we were doing either.
SDRC. I just want to thank SDRC for this championship race.
Who won? Who won? Did you? Yeah. I want a rematch. Someone tested for steroids. Oh heck yeah, dude! I took a fat L, dude.
My ribs were blown apart. I don't think we could have had any more fun. Thank you, Travis. Everyone at SDRC.
SDRC.
You guys want to come have some fun? You're gonna get a new Travis story.
Oh yeah.
Travis is gonna fix the broken jumps. It's gonna be legit. So come down, have some fun. I'll let you guys know next time I head down here. We're gonna try to make it a regular thing, and we're gonna end it at that. No one's too hurt yet. So.
Yeah.
Peace out, lady boys.
I can't get out of that double, dude.
All right, that's a wrap. Rabbit Man killed it in the Odyssey. Nick
Beat Jacob.
Nick beat me. All right, it's not fair. I stalled. I got caught on these little white things over here. But you know what? No. Anyways, he won. He beat me. But it's not an excuse. Like I said, he beat me.
Next time we're taking it to the big bikes.
Kick your ass in that too. What are you talking about? But yep. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Oh man, that was great. Shout out to SDRC. It was a great night tonight. Thank you guys for everything. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Oh my gosh. Follow my boy Nick over here.
At Nick Burnaby, Instagram, Twitter. Doesn't even matter.
You don't want to see that ugly mug anyways. It's okay. You don't want to see mine anyways, but you're watching this video. But anyways, follow Rabbit Man, Joey Mack too as well for helping us put this on and like being able to come here today. So anyways, peace out guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Laters.